Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your JBL earbuds. Maybe you're having issues like there's low volume, or only the left ear is working, or one of the earbuds is not working, or you're having connectivity issues, or it keeps disconnecting, or something like that. A hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. And it's real simple to do. First things first is go into your phone or whatever device you use to connect your earbuds and go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off. So that it doesn't interfere with the reset process. And then all we're going to do is put our earbuds in the case. And once our earbuds are in the case, we're going to come around back and we're going to press on this button here. We're just going to press and hold it for about 10 seconds. And then when we're holding it for 10 seconds, it will give a little blink, and that will indicate that it is going through the reset process. And once that's done, you can take the earbuds out and turn the Bluetooth back on your device and repair them with the device. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.